Okay, I've done something today.
Yeah.
Admittedly, it's not my most intelligent piece of work, but it's very funny. It's
So we can ask.
It's something that the kids are gonna really have a ball with, and most adults, I'm sure.
Okay, right. Let's take a
Okay, so
listen.
yeah, I got a bit of a problem, so I'm just phoning this hospital in Derbs.
Okay.
Phone is speaking. Thanks for your call. Hospital.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to find.
Oh God.
Are you guys open? Are you guys open right now?
Yeah, on any time, my man. We not close the hospital.
Oh, got a bit of a problem.
Oh, Sam.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, I don't know. It's quite embarrassing.
Oh, Sam, I can hear that. Yeah. But we have to arrange to see the doctors, sir.
No, I don't have a.
Hospital. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning. How are you today, sir?
I'm alright.
Good very much. Oh, excuse me. Sir, what is the hospital? Is it is it open now? Hello?
Talking to the man, something is belching. Asking the hospital is open, is belching. The man is very busy belching, and I'm talking. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hospital open 24 hours.
24 hours. Okay, I'll just.
I don't think they believe you.
Hospital, good evening.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi. Sorry, we got cut off there for some reason.
Yes.
I just wanted to find.
Yeah, you're busy belching, man.
Yeah, but sorry, I can't help it.
You sick?
Well,
What's the problem with this man? Talking to the man is busy belching. Oh,
I don't
he
know.
can't help it. Hello?
Hello.
I can't hear you. In between you talking, you're belching.
Yeah, I can't help it, man.
Oh, God. Hello?
Yes, hi. That's.
Is anybody can speak speak for you?
No, it's just me here, and I just.
What do you want?
Well, that's what I'm Where exactly is your?
What medical aid you got?
Let me just check my card here quickly.
Yeah, like you said, not one of your more intelligent ones.
Not my most clever work,
Yeah.
but
You
it's
know
funny.
what?
It's
Yeah.
funny.